Yeah, g'day. Today I am going to be doing a Zippo review. Okay, well, let's get started, eh? It is the Zippo, I think, Street Chrome? Yeah. And, here it is. Can you see that? Yeah, it's pretty good. I had a fake one. Can you hear that clink? Yeah, it's pretty shit hot. Spit empty, and I'll be doing like a filling up and stuff, so yeah, sorry about the light darkness. So I will fill it up for you guys. Just give me a minute. It's pretty empty for me. And this will be showing you how to fill up and stuff, so sweet. So let's say you fill it. You go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just wait about 10 seconds, and then you do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's about half full, but if you see a puddle there, you've overfilled it. Okay, sweet. And this should go pretty good, but you have to, sweet, see, look. It's pretty shit hot. Yeah. And this was made in February. Can you see that? February 2012. It's a legit one. It's pretty shit hot. Yeah. And I got this completely free from Points to Shop. That is pretty good for me. Oh, got heaps of Amazon gift cards and stuff, and yeah, that's my Zippo review. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot. Flint's